can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we're taking a look at an altcoin, Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic is up 8.2% over the last 1 week. Altcoins are starting to pump front, left, and center. We're starting to see big green bubbles in the altcoin market. The $1 million question right now is, how high can Ethereum Classic go in the coming days and the coming weeks? Are we gearing up for one of those big pumps to the upside? If we are doing so, where are those key levels where we might find some resistance on our way to higher prices? We look at Ethereum Classic's performance against the US dollar on a weekly time frame. Ethereum Classic's market cap sits around $1.37 billion. We look at Ethereum Classic's performance against Bitcoin, Ethereum Classic's performance against Ethereum, and also look at Ethereum Classic's market cap. What's our path to new all-time highs? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Ethereum Classic's market cap sits around $1.37 billion. Ethereum Classic has a total supply of around 210 million tokens. 155 million of those tokens are in circulation. With the fully diluted market cap of around $1.85 billion, Ethereum Classic's all-time high happened on the 6th of May 2021. We saw it trading for as high as $176. Right now, Ethereum Classic is down 95% from its all-time highs, which begs the $1 million question: how high can Ethereum Classic go in the coming days and the coming weeks? We've seen Ethereum Classic from its all-time highs in May of 2021 around $159. We have seen it dump to Goblin Town. We have seen it go and find support around the $8 level. It represents a 95% down, 95% down from its all-time highs. A lot of these altcoins are very volatile, Ethereum Classic included. If you look at Ethereum Classic's price history, it's had its own time in the sun. It has had bear markets. It has also had bull markets. And right now, I believe we're in the phase where we're supposed to have another bull market. You look at what Ethereum Classic has done through the years. After it was launched, we saw it dump to Goblin Town where it got to as low as $0.75. But then again, the bull run came around and we saw Ethereum Classic in 2016 to entering 2018 rallying up by more than 5,800%. That's the kind of gains we want in the altcoin market. That's the kind of gains we want to see from Ethereum Classic. That's why we're buying these altcoins. But then we should have to know that the market doesn't go up forever. For the market to go up, we have to have bull markets. We have to have bear markets. The bull market is when we are shouting Kumbaya. The bear market is where we're dumping to Goblin Town. Now, the first time Ethereum Classic dumped to Goblin Town, it was aggressive. It was a violent dump from all-time highs. Ethereum Classic went from $44 then. In 2018, we saw it dumping 92%, finding support around the $3.39 level, and that was a 92% dump to Goblin Town. But if you're one of those smart investors that accumulated Ethereum Classic, if you're one of those smart investors that believed, you know what, there's good news in front, you know what, we have to buy low to sell high, you have to buy pessimism to sell optimism, then the market rewarded you for your patience, the market rewarded you for your courage, because just a few years down the line, we saw Ethereum Classic rallying back to new all-time highs, getting to $156. We saw it pumping by more than 4,300% from the bottom. Now that bull market ended in 2021. We've seen Ethereum Classic go through another very crazy bear market. We've seen Ethereum Classic go from that all-time highs around $159. We've seen it down back to Goblin Town, losing another 95% of its value. So you see, the volatility is a future in the altcoin market. Volatility is not a bug, it's a future. That's why we love the altcoin market. We're buying as low as possible. We're playing a game right here. We're trying to buy when there's fear, when the prices are low, so that we can sell when there's greed, when the prices are high. And I strongly believe we're entering the period of time where greed return back to the cryptocurrency market, even though majority of market participants right now are very pessimistic. That's a telltale sign that we should be accumulating. The big whales are buying, getting ready for that big pump to the upside. Now, it might not be a smooth ride to higher prices. We're going to face a lot of difficulties along the way. One of those key levels is going to be around the $23 level. We have seen major reactions for Ethereum Classic around this $23 level. So I'll not be shocked if we still have some difficulties around that key price region. And that level to watch out for It's going to be the $38.97 level. We have seen Ethereum Classic get to that region 2 different times over the last 2 years, and we've gotten soundly rejected from there, heading back down to Goblin Town. If we get around the $39 to the $40 region, guys, don't be shocked to see us consolidating there before we continue our way to new all-time highs. From where we're currently trading right now, Ethereum Classic will need to give us one of those big 350% pump to the upside for us to get there. Now, if we're going to higher prices, if we want to see the all-time highs, there's still one more critical level to watch out for, and that level is going to be coming around the $75 region. Last time we saw Ethereum Classic trading around $75 was after the bull market, just around August of 2021, before it started its decline down to Goblin Town. And we can rally past $73, the sky will be clear. We'll make our way to new all-time highs. If we can rally above $73, let's get ready for that big pump to the upside. From where we're currently trading right now, for us to rally towards the all-time highs for Ethereum Classic, we need to see a 1,700% pump to the upside. And historically, that can happen very quickly. Historically, these altcoins are very volatile. That crazy pumps happen at the end of the market cycle. The last time we saw Ethereum Classic going parabolic, how long did it take it to go from as low as $8 to the new previous all-time highs? It took Ethereum Classic just around 84 days. Only time will tell how long it will take this time around, but I expect Ethereum Classic to outperform both Bitcoin and Ethereum. We've seen Ethereum Classic drop to new all-time lows against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. It's been getting cooked in the trenches over the last few years. Ethereum Classic has been dumping to Goblin Town against Bitcoin, but I expect to see a sharp counter-trend rally, just like we saw in 2021, where Ethereum Classic was dumping to Goblin Town. When the pump came, we saw Ethereum Classic outperforming Bitcoin in 77 days by 1,200%. We're not go up 1,200% this time around, but don't be shocked to see Ethereum Classic pulling out 100, 200, moving as high as a 800% move against Bitcoin. Against Ethereum, similar price action. Ethereum Classic is down to new all-time lows. I'll be expecting to see a big counter-trend rally to the upside, where Ethereum Classic could easily pull up a 300, 400, maybe even as high as an 800% move to the upside. There's extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market right now. Extreme fear has always been a good time to buy. Extreme greed has always been a good time to sell. Don't wait for other market participants to start FOMOing in before you start FOMOing in, guys. You want to win, you want to perform opposite of what the crowd is doing. If the crowd's wrong at the extreme, when crowds have extreme fear, that's when you should have bold confidence that there might be higher prices in the future. Now, with Ethereum Classic's market cap sitting at the $1.3 billion level, one key level to watch out for is going to be around the $4.5 billion level. We've seen Ethereum Classic's market cap consolidate around that $4.5 billion level over the last few years. But the previous all-time highs for Ethereum Classic market cap sits at around the $18.3 billion level. And for us to rally to new all-time highs, we need to rally past $18.3 billion. We need to see Ethereum Classic's market cap go up by 1,200%, which can happen in the twinkle of an eye. We saw when Ethereum Classic had that crazy move the last time. It went from $1.3 billion to around $18 billion in just 42 days, a 1,200% move to the upside. Most of the gains are usually made in the final phase of the market cycle. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Are you buying my Ethereum Classic right now? Do you believe the rally is around the corner? How high do you see Ethereum Classic going if the rally comes through? I want to hear your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.